Happy Tuesday. Let's get this party started. It is 20 minutes before the market starts. I'm going to do a 10-minute meditation, not laying down for it. I'm going to be sitting right here. The meditation I am doing today is on patience. So I'm actually on Audible. They have guided meditations, y'all. It's great. They have a 21-day guided meditation. The first one's deep release. Second day is hold tight. And then today is patience is key. Tomorrow I'm kind of excited. It's be the light. So, yeah, we're doing that so that I'm not taking naps today. No naps till later if I take one. Because I'm not gonna lie, I love a good nap. I mean, who doesn't? Except for babies. They hate good naps. It's just because they don't know what's good for them. Really, really quick before I do that, let's go to the market. So, I was looking at this just a little bit this morning, and I removed some of my, just the lines that were in here. There was a lot going on, which made my daily chart look just overwhelming. So here is my daily chart. So I had a bunch of lines in between here, and you can see there's a ton of closes right in this area. There's also, you know, how far it pulled down here, the high here, and we're just kind of bouncing back and forth between those areas. Well, those areas aren't little tiny areas, okay? So this is 2780 to 2820, okay? 2785 to 2820. That's a big space to bounce between, okay? The MACDs are starting to pull back here in the daily chart, which is something that I've been anticipating for a little bit. What I'd love to see is everything pull back into this area and bounce up. Usually when it pulls through, when it's weak like this, we may not always see that pullback before a bounce up. I mean, you know, it does anything it wants to do every day, but this strong move to the upside also makes it tough to see what is actually going on here. We can see that we are outside of the Bollinger Bands, but still not pushing hard to the downside. If we look at the 10,946, MACDs and price are both leading lower than the last pivot. I mean, it had a huge push to the downside. Of course, that's going to happen. Above the areas, I mean, it says it should be pushing up, but we can see a little bit of a wedge going on the 1597 between the price and the MACDs. We can see that the price is making higher pivots and higher lows, lower highs. Same thing is happening here. So higher lows, lower highs. It could just pull down here, roll off, and continue up, especially with the EMA staying open to the upside. But we're just going to have to watch and see. I'm not in the space. First off, we got 20 minutes till the market's open, 15 minutes. I'm going to go do my meditation. I'm going to come back to this, and we'll go from there. You know, that's pretty much all you can do at that point. Alright, so we'll catch you back in just a bit. Wow, that was a really good meditation. The mantra that we kept saying to ourselves was, I am patient, I am committed, and I have faith. It made me really internalize a lot of trading thought processes. Being patient for that right trade. Being committed to take it when you see it. And having faith that you put your risk in the right spot and that you're looking for it to continue in the direction in which you originally traded. Or having the faith that if it goes against you, you will make the right choices. Popped up and put me in. Let's see. This may pop up here still. this one more time as it's rolling here. We're reaching that area. It's not breaking through just yet, but it's really starting to show that it can. There we go. Went ahead and close that out as we're starting to see a strong pop up here. Now this could just go right at this point and push down, but look at the distance we're starting to create here. We have equaled that previous pivot right at this spot, so just maybe I'm being overly cautious, but that's all right. I'm recording right now. Esther had some great ideas. Go ahead and take that, and the move down, strengthen the pull back. That may be my 233. A little bit of a curse, but what I'm looking at here, it's just not doing the pull through after it pulled down to this same spot again. So holding it for as long as I did to get out. All right. Charge detected. All right, this will probably go up for like 90 gabillion points. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. All right, hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday, and that's all I got for you. Really see the reasons for this to push up. Let me go back and talk just a little bit about what's going on. We're not going to just shut it off right there. Hold on. I see a lot of reasons for this to push up. It's well above the EMAs. It's well above the zero line. It rolled here. It's pushing up continuously here. It gave the pullback and the BB stay blue and up. So yes, I can definitely see the reasons for this to continue up. I'm just having a personal struggle between these areas. So we did take 3 trades today. Man, they keep messaging you, Esther. First trade was 2.5. Next trade. It's going up now. Let's see. I just didn't have the patience, the faith, or the commitment. So it was time to shut it down. This next one, close 4.75. This one, close 2.0. things that I'm committed to today, so I gotta go ahead and shut this down. 3 trades. 2 months plus 0.0. Had I by any chance taken this long, I would definitely be considering, and I'd be thinking about an exit with the first slowdown, and it's probably going to go for 15 gabillion points, so we're just going to go ahead and shut that down for today. So hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. If there's any questions, definitely make sure you get a hold of me, and we'll go through whatever it is. Holy moly. Yeah, it's just really popping up now. Oh well, yeah, what you gonna do? You got things you gotta take care of, so you gotta roll it out. Anyways, I hope everybody has a great Tuesday. If you have questions, make sure you get in touch with me. Remember, patience is, sometimes we can be overly patient, as I proved earlier. I could see the reasons for it to go up, and almost did it. I just, couldn't bring myself to pull the trigger. Brain was in too many places, so we're going to go ahead and shut it down, and look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.